Hello everyone. In this video, let us solve exercise 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9. So, see this question. The charge flowing in a wire is plotted in this figure. Sketch the corresponding current. That means I have to sketch the current graph here. So, we know that the current is differentiation of this charge because we know I is equal to dq by dt. So now I have to differentiate this charge. Okay, so we know that this is an integrating ramp. So that means if I differentiate this, I will be getting a unit step. So here from 0 to 2, I am going to get a positive. So this is 50 divided by 2, 25. So this is 25. And from 2 to 4 it is decreasing 1. That is 50 divided by 2 is 25. But it is decreasing 1 here. So that is negative slope, 25 minus 25. And here you can see from 4 to 6 once again it is decreasing. Again it is 50 divided by 2, 25. So till 6 it is minus 25 only. From 6 to 8 it is increasing. So it is 50 divided by 2, that is 25, but it is with the positive. So here I am writing like this. So this is the current graph. Okay, 25 minus 25. If you want to write it with the equations, then how will you proceed? It is a straight line. So what is the slope of this? It is 25. X is nothing but it is t plus some integrating constant, that is line constant here. Okay, so intercept. So here it is 25t. If I substitute t is equal to 0, I am going to get it as 0. So and 25 into 2, 50. So this one will be equal to 0 only, because 25 into 0 is 0. 25 into 2 is 50. So I am going to get the two extremes of this particular line. So it is 25t. So 25t, that is from 0 to 2. Next from this, it is negative minus 25t. So now if I substitute t is equal to 4, I am going to get minus 100, but actually I should get 0. So it is plus 100. So minus 25t plus 100. Minus 25 into 2, it is minus 50 plus 150. So I got now two extremes. So this is minus 25t plus 100. This is from 2 to 4. Again from 4 to 6, okay, 4 to 6, what it is minus 25t only. And what is the value? If I substitute it as 400, so once again this is the same value. So can I consider it as 2 to 6 instead of 2 to 4? I can consider it, so 2 to 6. Now from 6 to 8, this is increasing 1, so it is slope is 25t. If I substitute 6 in this particular place, okay, I will be getting 150, right, 150, but actual value is minus 50, so I have to subtract minus 200 here. If I substitute 8 here, okay, I am going to get 200, but I should get 0, so if I minus 200 is there, I am going to get 200 minus 200, 0. So this will be minus 200, 25t minus 200. So this is the actual equations for the charge. So now if I differentiate this, I am going to get it, right? 25t, if I differentiate it, it is 25. If I differentiate this, this is minus 25. Okay, that is from 2 to 6. This is from 0 to 2. And from 6 to 8, if I differentiate this with respect to t, I am going to get 25. This is 6 to 8. See, 25 minus 25. So this is through the equations. This is directly by observing the graph I have differentiated this. Okay, so this is using the expressions or equations I have come to the conclusion. Now from this I can draw the current, right? So this is the current sketch. Next, let us see. The current flowing past a point in device is shown in the figure 1.25. Calculate the total charge through the point. So now the current is given, I have to find the charge. So here we can do the integration, right? We can do the integration. So this is, I'm going to get the parabola from 0 to 1 because this is a ramp. Integration of ramp is parabola. So what is this? It is 10. So I can write an expression for this now. One thing you must remember, from 1 to t, if I want to integrate this, I should know the charge which is present at 1 coulomb. Okay, that is the initial charge. Initial charge here, it will be 0 coulomb. Okay, so for this particular thing, what you are going to do is, we are going to take the definite integral t naught to t, and here I am going to substitute q t naught. Okay, so this is how we are going to find the value of the charge. So now first it is q of 0, it will be 0. So from, I am going to find it only till 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, I of t dt plus 0. So what is this I of t? It is, see, you can see the slope is 10 t. So 10 t dt. So 10 t square by 2, 5 t square. So now I am substituting the limits, it is 5. So it is 5 coulomb. From 0 to 1, it is 5 coulomb. So next, from 1 to 2, at t is equal to 1, charge is 5 coulomb, right? So now what I will do, instead of this, now I will take 1 to 2, and here I am going to take 5. So what is this? It is 10 dt. So 10 t, 2 and 1 plus 5. So here I can write 10 plus 5, it is 15 coulomb. So the total charge is 15 coulomb. And here you can see it is milli, this is milli, so this is microcoulomb. Because q is equal to I into t, milli, micro. So it is 15 microcoulomb. Just remember this equation, this is the definite integral. If I want to solve a part by part, I am going to consider the initial charge which is present at that particular instant of time. Now suppose if I want to find out the charge which is present in 0 to 1, I must know the initial charge which is present at 0. After that, finding 0 to 1 interval, I will go for the interval 1 to 2. In that particular case, I should know what is the charge present at this 1 coulomb. That will be your 5 microcoulomb. So that will be added to this particular interval. Initial charge will be added. So from 1 to 2, what is the expression for the current? It is 10 because it is a constant. So if I am integrating 10 with respect to time, you are going to get 10 t. Now substitute the limits 2 and 1, you are going to get 10 microcoulomb, and initial 5 microcoulomb, that also will be added. So total charge will be 15 microcoulomb. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, current through an element is shown in the figure. Determine the total charge that passed through the element at, you have to find at t is equal to 1 second, t is equal to 3 seconds, t is equal to 5 seconds. So now once again, this is the integration. Right? See, first I will solve from 0 to 1. What is current? It is 10. What is the initial charge? It is 0 coulomb. So, 0 to 1. What is the current? 10 dt plus 0. 10 t. So, obviously this will be 10 coulombs. Okay. So, this is the value at this. Now, I am going from 1 to 2. 1 to 2, what is the equation for this current? See, you can see it is 10 and 5. So, minus 5 is the slope, minus 5t, and at t is equal to 2, I am going to get minus 10, but actual value is plus 5. So, it is minus 10 plus 15. Substitute t is equal to 1, minus 5 plus 15 is 10, answer is right. So, this is the expression for the current for this slope. So, now 1 to 2 definite integral minus 5t plus 15 dt, and what is the initial charge, that is at 1? At 1 it is 10 coulomb, so write it 10. So here I am going to write minus 5 t square by 2 plus 15t, and here I am putting the limits 2 and 1 plus 10. So this is minus 5 by 2, this one minus 5 by 2 t square is 4, plus 15 2s are 30, next plus 5 by 2 1, next minus 15 plus 10, right? So this is minus 10, minus 10 plus 30 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 minus 15 is 15, 15 plus 5 by 2 it is 17 by 5, 15 plus 2.5 is 17.5. So here the value is 17.5 coulomb. At t is equal to 1 second, the answer is 10 coulomb. Now I found out till 2. Now let us find out till 3. Till 3. Okay. So now I will find out 2 to 3. 2 to 3. What is the value? 5. 5 into dt plus what is the charge which is present at 2? So the initial charge is 17.5. So this is 5t. So it is obviously 5. So this is 22.5 coulomb at 3 seconds. This is 10 coulomb. This is 22.5 coulomb. Next, if I want to find out 5 coulombs, that is from 0 to 5 now. Okay. So now this is 22.5 here, but I am going to previous value only 17.5. I am taking this from 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 5t plus 17.5, this is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 to is 10, so it is 27.5. So at this particular point it is 27.5. Now again I have to find the equation, this one. So it is minus 5t, and you can see if I substitute t is equal to 5, in this particular case it is minus 25, but answer is 0. So I have to substitute plus 25. Next, minus 5 into 4, minus 20 plus 25, 5. Answer is 5. Yes, this is the equation for the current. So here I am going to write 4 to 5, minus 5t plus 25 dt. What is the initial charge here? It is 27.5. That is q at 4. That is 27.5. So minus 5t square by 2 plus 25t, substitutes the limits 27.5. So here it is 25. 25 plus 27.5. What about this? It is minus 2.5. 25 minus 16, that is 9. Minus 2.5 into 9 plus 25 plus 27.5. So you have to substitute this answer and you will be getting the value. So this is minus 22.5 plus 25 plus 27.5. Okay, so this is 30 coulombs is the answer. This is all about the 1.9.